Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another eventful day on this one, and looking at more than just one day. In fact, I want to look at the past several days. We have a good old-fashioned ascending triangle that has taken shape here, which is a bullish pattern. But before I draw it, let me just make a very, very quick disclaimer here. I am not saying that just because a bullish pattern happens that for sure guaranteed that means the price is going up. Now, would it be shocking to see the price make a move upwards? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. It's a rational thought to have, but that does not mean that for sure guaranteed an upwards move is going to play out. So first part of this ascending triangle is the resistance portion of the pattern, which to me sits right up here around, let's just call it $5.95, give or take a little bit. So $5.95 key level of resistance. And then the bottom portion of this pattern is coming right here. And actually, let me change this to green so we can represent that being where the buyers and support is at. But overall, there is the ascending triangle that has happened. And there's going to be a lot of people watching this pattern. And I make that point because when a lot of people are watching the same pattern, wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. Again, not a guarantee, but it's more than valid to think that if the price works its way up to that area and gets a breakthrough there, then that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure just because, hey, look, there's a pattern breakout. So like I said, self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. That's how things work out many times in the market, but not guaranteed. On the flip side of things, it's also true, not a guarantee, but if the price rolls back over and then fails to hold that trend line and breaks to the downside, at that point, it's a valid thought to have that that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So overall, though, like I said, I think the pattern that the vast majority of technical traders and people are watching out there is that ascending triangle. So let's see how things play out and see if the bulls can ultimately get a breakout to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.